Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I'm going to discuss about online bus ticket booking system. It is our abstract. The online bus ticket booking system is a web-based application that allows users to check the bus availability and buy the bus ticket and pay the ticket price through online. This project is implemented using the Java server page technology. JSP is a server-side scripting technology that allows developers to create dynamic web pages. The system can be used by the users in performing online reservation via internet for their business purposes or else. Online bus ticket booking system offers a number of benefits for both passengers and bus operators. By using this application, the company can provide reservation services and information to their customers without the limitation of office hours or manpower. It is a flow diagram. First, the admin can visit the website and log in with his username and password. After login, if the admin want to add the new staff details, means he will click the staff and add the new staff details. If the admin want to add the new bus details, means he will click the bus option and can add the new bus details like bus name, bus register number, model, etc. After that, the admin can also view the payment details and booking information. Now we move to the staff. The staff can log in with his username and the password, which is provided by the admin after registration. After login, the staff can view the bus list and create the new route plans like date, source, destination, arrival time and departure time, etc. The admin can also view the booking informations. Now we move to the user. The user can register. After registration, he will log in with his username and password. If the user want to book the bus ticket, means he will view the bus details and book the preferred bus tickets. After the booking, the user can view the booking information and the payment status. Now we see our output. First go to the index page and run the file. After visiting the web page, if you are an admin, you may click the admin and log in with the admin username and the password. After login, if the admin want to add the new staff details, means he will click the add staff option and enter the staff details. After enter all the details, you may click the add staff option. The details will be added successfully. If you want to view the staff details, means you may click the update or delete staff option, from which you can see the staff details. If you want to edit the staff details, means you may click the edit option and modify what you want and click the update option. The staff details will be updated successfully, from which you will see here. If you want to delete the staff details, means you may click this delete option. By clicking this, the staff details will be deleted. If the staff want to add the new bus details, means he will click the add bus option and enter the bus numbers. Each bus will have unique bus numbers. and enter the type whether it is AC or non-AC. After enter all the details, you may click the add option. The bus details will be added successfully. If the admin want to delete the bus details, means he will click the delete bus option and see which bus want to delete. After viewing the details, you may click the delete option. The details will be deleted. Now you see, I will click the delete option. You see the details will be deleted. In this you will get the notification like that the bus details will be deleted successfully. And the admin can also view the user informations. Let's see, user ID, username, phone number, and admin also view the payment and booking details. Username, user ID, from which date they book the tickets, and number of tickets, and how much amount they pay for the bookings. After completing the process, the admin can log out. Now we see the staff module. First, the staff go to the website and log in with his username and the password which is provided by the admin. And click the submit button. After login, the staff can view the bus details like bus ID, bus name, model, type. If the staff want to add the new route plan, means he will click the add option and click and enter the above informations. After entering all the details, he will click the submit option. The details will be added. If the staff want to see the route plan, means he may click the bus and click the view bus option. From here, the staff can view the route plans, and the staff has the ability to delete the ended route plans by clicking the delete option. I will click here. You see the route plan will be deleted, and the staff can also view the how many number of seats will be booked and how many amount will be received. After completing the process, the staff can log out. Now we see the user. First, the user will visit the website. After visiting the website, he may click the user option. If the user will already register, means he will log in with his username and password. Otherwise, he may register. After registration, he will log in with his username and password. After login, the user want to book the bus ticket through online, means first he will view the bus list, and based on the preference he may book the bus tickets by clicking the book option. In this, the user can view the available seats, price per ticket, and source, destination, arrival time, and departure time. If the user want to book the bus ticket, means he will click the book option and enter the number of seats they want to book and enter the price. And enter the bank name, account number, card details, and click the pay option. The ticket will be booked successfully. If the user want to view the booking information, means he may click the booking option, from which the user can view the booking status. If the user want to cancel the bus ticket, means he may click the cancel option. The booking will be cancelled successfully. After completing the process, the user can log out. Thank you.